Hi guys, today I want to share with you something around the roads in Vietnam, and I ride behind a big truck. It delivers the petrol, and you can see that not fire behind the truck. And the interesting thing is that I want to share today. You can see that in behind the truck there are two chains behind the truck, and I asked somebody say that it help the truck deliver the electric spark into the ground. Yes, it help. It's a good idea for the truck not burn. Yes, a big truck. And this is the road in Vietnam. You can see lots of electric light in the sky above, left and right. Okay, thank you for watching, and hope you back. And I forgot, please subscribe for my channel. Thank you very much, and see you in next video.